In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for emails by specific dates in the Yahoo Mail app, a handy skill that can make managing your inbox much easier and more efficient. Whether you're looking to track down an old conversation, find an important message, or simply want to organize your emails effectively, pinpointing emails by date can save you a lot of time. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Yahoo Mail app on your device. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a search bar prominently displayed there. This is your gateway to filtering through your emails. Go ahead and tap on that search bar to activate it. Now this is where the power of search comes into play. You'll want to type in the date for which you seek emails. For precision, it can be very effective to use a specific date format. For example, you could enter the date as 2025-10/01 if you prefer the year-month-day format. Alternatively, you might type October 1st, 2025 if that's more familiar to you. Both formats are designed to help you zero in on exactly when an email was sent or received. If your app version supports it, you might see filter options available. These filters can be a lifesaver for refining your search even further. They allow you to sort emails not only by date, but also by aspects like sender or unread status, depending on the options your app has. This can significantly streamline your search process and bring relevant results to the forefront quicker. Once you've entered your search query or applied your filters, it's time to scroll through the results. Your emails will be neatly organized based on the date you specified, making it easy for you to locate specific messages from that period. Take your time to peruse the list, especially if your inbox tends to receive a high volume of emails. You might discover emails you had forgotten about tucked away on that specific date. Remember, searching for emails by date in Yahoo Mail is a powerful feature that can help you declutter your inbox and keep your digital correspondence well ordered. It's particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects or communications that revolve around specific dates. If you haven't used this feature before, give it a try, and you'll likely find it adds a new level of convenience to your email management. Whether you're a professional keeping track of business communications or someone who just likes to keep their personal inbox tidy, harnessing the search and filter tools in the Yahoo Mail app can transform how efficiently you manage your digital communications. I hope you find these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more tips to enhance your email experience.